Welcome back to Cashman's Garage. A lot going on here today. We're working on a 99 Chevy Tahoe two-door model, and I'm investigating where to cut an access door for the fuel pump. A lot of information online for the four doors, not so much for the two doors, and they are different. So let's get started. Alright, so after a bunch of sleuthing online, it looks like the four-door model, you need to remove the seat and do some cutting under there with the carpeting. It is definitely different for the two-door model. I took my camera here and kind of fished it up above the tank and got a general idea of where to start cutting, and then kind of zeroed in from there. It looks like we're just a little bit left the center of the plate, by maybe an inch or two. Kind of hard to see on camera. And then we're about 15 inches from this edge to the center of our pump here. Be very careful when cutting because there are fuel lines. You got electrical connectors. I just took this little cutter wheel and just went really light. The second I popped through, I'd bring it back up, and then I kind of used a pry bar to sort of bust it up the rest of the way. So you could see I probably could have cut out a little bit more here, but I'll be doing that next before I replace the pump. But mystery solved. The two-door Tahoe, this is a 1999, but our fuel pump is in a different location, and if you want to cut an access door, it's pretty easy. It's definitely possible. Just be very careful. That's it for now. More to come. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.